Welcome back, guys. So right now, let's talk about optimizing this page. So how do we do that? So I'm going to use Gemini. I'm very used to Gemini. So I'm going to use Gemini, of course. So if you need something like a Gemini Pro, you can use to do things like this. I want you to come to a website named store.billardcreative.com. So here on this website, you can get a Gemini Pro account and different things. As you can see right here, we have e-commerce, we have Google AI Pro plan 2 terabyte private accounts. It's never up to $10. So you could come get these, or you could get ChatGPT Business. Anyone you are comfortable with, you get all these ChatGPT Business or ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Go, or you get the Google AI Pro for whatever you want to do. So back to this, I'm going to come right here and I'm going to try to optimize my profile. So I'm going to use Gemini, of course, like I said. I'm very used to Gemini, so I'm going to use Gemini. So this is the website for the brand we are trying to create. As you can see, this is a very good brand right here, and it has a very good website. So we can actually do a whole lot with this. So coming back here to Gemini and looking at our page, we need to optimize this page. The page is currently looking bland, but we need to optimize it. So how do we go about that? As you can see, you have today's action, but we're going to do the whole optimization today, so you get to understand the LinkedIn admin dashboard for your brand. So coming back here, let's say I want to optimize my LinkedIn page for the company named Business Knob, and the optimization should contain all the details that has to do with this business. You can check out our website. Okay, so let's get this straight. Businessnob.com. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to prompt this out. So coming back to my page right here, you see we have the dashboard. The dashboard shows you your performance and everything. Everything is on zero now because we just opened the account. So we're going to do every other thing. And one thing you can do as well is to redeem this 1 month, but we can leave that for now. So you go to your page post. We've not created any post yet, but we're going to do that in a bit. So now we're going to go to analytics where you see all your performance of the year and everything for your page. Then we come to feed. Feed is where you see you can follow competitors. So when you follow competitors, you see what they post in your feed. And we have activity. So your activity calls for people that commented on your post, people that mention your page, people that reacted to your post, people that you posted your post. Then you can see the overall analytics right here. But I don't have anything just yet there. So you could check your inboxes for messages. These are simple as that. Then now we could edit our page, which is where the optimization goes on. You know, if you want to optimize your profile, all you have to do is come to edit page. Then edit page will open a whole new panel, a new dashboard for you, as you can see from here. So we have this and it's looking great. So we've done the basic page info where we inputted our logo, we inputted the business name and the LinkedIn public URL and the tagline. So we are good to go. So right now I'm going to come to buttons. Let's see the buttons. Let's see what we need to set. So allow LinkedIn members to message your page directly. Yes, of course they should. Drive traffic to the URL of your choice, which is button name, visit website. Then we're going to take them to the website basically. Then we have the home where you are featured. We don't have a post yet, so we could manage featured posts. Then you could come to about and come to details, and this is where it all gets interesting. So now an overview of the business. So let's come back to our AI. Let's see what it has done for us. So it gives us a company name, yes. Custom button, yes. Now the about us says this is the most crucial part for SEO and user engagement. So we have the overview right here. So the overview of the business is right here, and everything about the business is right here. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to come paste it right now. So coming back here, I'm going to paste this, and here we have, at Business Knob, we serve you essential recipes for your business operation. So you could actually look through, and there we are. So we could leave all these and come back later. Join our community. Let's build sustainable business together, which is perfect. And we have a website, of course, we've included. We've chosen the industry. We've done all these basic things. Now, the phone number, we could use this very phone number we've been using all this while. So I'm going to come here. So the year founded, this was founded in 2026. Yes. And now you can add your specialty. So let's see what this will be. So key details, industry, founded. So specialties now, we need to input our specialties. We start from business registration. So I'm going to come back here and I'm going to add up to 20 specialties. So let's do that right away. So I'm going to come right here to copy everything. So business registration, we have tax filing and compliance, of course. So these are the specialty of this business. So we have business planning and strategy, of course. We have this as well. So I'm going to paste that. Then we have web development and branding as well. We are good to go right there. So I'm going to add that as a specialty. Then I'm going to add investor pitch decks, of course, as a specialty. Yes, and financial statement as a factual, as yes, as a specialty, sorry. So as a specialty, so I'm going to add this. Then I'm going to add the SME growth tools. Of course, we have all that. We have entrepreneurship education. So those specialties now would help search engines to locate our page, of course, when people search for something related. So I'm going to just paste this. Then we have all this. So all I have to do now, okay, so our mission is to, so this would say our mission, yes, which we understand perfectly. So that is how to optimize your page. So we've done the basic optimization. So let me save this right now. Then it takes me back here. So now we can check the workspace or the workplace. So you have your workplace right here. Is it hybrid? Is it remote? Is it on site? So we could actually do the workplace module. Then it's going to be hybrid. Yes, let's make it hybrid, or let's make it remote. Yes, let's make it remote. So describe your company's workplace policy. So let's see how we could do this. So you could add links to your website, but leave others for now. We could leave others for now. So we're going to save this right now. And the next thing we're going to see is commitment, location. So basically we'll be able to optimize. So I could take this out for now. So basically we'll be able to optimize this page. So far, so good. That is your basic optimization. And you can start your first post. We have 0 followers, but we're going to grow that in a bit. So I'm going to say no thanks. Back to this. I'm going to come back here, and that way we've optimized for search engine. In the next lesson, we're going to see how to bring in banner and how to make sure your profile looks good. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.